to add a sheet to your workbook, how to rename the sheet you have added, how to format your data in your Microsoft Excel, and how to protect your data from intruders. And so without much ado, let's dive in and go. So this is a worksheet I have opened, and then we said a workbook is a collection of different worksheets. So this is the first sheet, my sheet 1. So if I add any other sheet, it gives me sheet 1. I can add other sheets. So this is how we add the sheet. Just come to the plus icon here and you click on it, and then your sheet is being added. Simple as that. Now, how do we rename this sheet? Just double click on the sheet and it's highlighted, and I now label it my yearly budget. So that one is named. I want to name the next sheet also. So just press enter and you come to the next one. I can rename that one to is student report. But let me just say report. So this other sheet I have added, I don't want them. How do we delete them? Just right click on the sheet and go to delete. Right click on it and go to delete, and it's gone. So now we have renamed our work. Now, how do we format the work? You realize that the work is already, it comes with the font type as Calibri. So we need to also change it to the desired font type you want. So I will highlight the whole worksheet such that when I am putting anything in the document, I don't have to go and reformat again. So when you click on this arrow over here, it means it's going to highlight the whole entire worksheet. But if I'm clicking on only cell A or column A, it's going to highlight that one only. When I click on this row, it's going to highlight on that one only. But when I click on this, it highlights the whole thing. Now I can format it going to Time New Roman. I want to use Time New Roman, search for it, and then it's there for you. And then the font size, I want to use 12, and that is okay for me now. Now I want to, looking at the examination here, the names, the class, we have class assessment, class test. This test is not appearing, so you can let the mouse pointer come here, then you click and you drag, or you just double click on it and it's going to affect for you. Alright, then I'll come to the other one too and double click on it, and everything is going well. Double click on this one and that's okay. Now I can highlight the examination report. I want to center it, so come to the alignment group and click on merge and center. It's going to merge and center it for you. Okay, so that formatting is also done. Now I can, so let's look at how we can protect our worksheet. Example, this one that I have kept a lot of money stuff inside there, so we have to protect it such that intruders will not come in. So right click on the cell name and you can see it protect there. So click on protect. They are asking for the password, so for the sake of this video I will use 1 2 3 4 5 to protect. Now this one is given to you. You want to select lock cells, you want to select unlock cells, format cells, format columns, format rows. So all these will be considered when you are doing it. So protect worksheet and content of locked cells allow all users of this worksheet to select locked cells, select unlocked cells. So it means that the person can select them, but he can't format the cells, he can't format the columns, he can't format the rows. It means he can't enter anything into the document. So if you select anything here, it means the person can do it. If you select delete, it means the person has the right to delete it. So it means I don't want the person to delete it. If you do of this one, it means the person cannot even select it. This, the person cannot even what? Select anything in the thing. So it means they can modify it. But if you open and you leave it as select, like this one, the person can select it, copy it, and send it somewhere and repaste it and edit. Alright? But if you don't want the person to attempt anything, just leave everything like this. And then you click on what? Okay. They say as you re-enter it to confirm. Then exactly, password is set, so no one can attempt your thing. Okay, so I can't even select it, drag, no, I can't select it. Now how do I unprotect the thing? You come back and you unprotect it. Now if I have closed it, I can do whatever I want to do it. So if I put the select here, 1 2 3 4 5, it means I can select it, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Remember, I chose select, so it means here I can select it. You see the difference now? But I can't change it. I can't change anything inside there. So that's the difference in it. So you have to choose the one that you want to use. So you can come back and unprotect it, or you leave it as you want it. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Go to the description below and then you follow to watch my previous video on how I came out with this particular budget and how we got the totals and then the minimum, maximum and all that. Alright, goodbye.